Hey everyone, Mortgage Nerd here. One of the biggest pitfalls of owning real estate is maintenance. Yeah, things break, stuff happens. This is my commercial building. I'm gonna take you inside and show you some of the stuff that I've got going on. All right, so I'm upstairs. My office is downstairs. We occupy the first floor, and there was a leak here. A leak behind the fridge. The supply line was broken, and it was going all the way down and created mold. So with that mold, we had to tear all of this stuff out, do mold remediation. It was a pain. Now there's an insurance claim, but that's why we pay for insurance, right? So let me take you and show you a little bit more about what we got going on here. Always an adventure when going up to the roof. So this is the roof of my building, and you can see a lot of water collects and dirt and leaves. I've been up here multiple times cleaning all this up, getting all the leaves out. Trees, I got to trim those back. I've had like plants growing up here in these corners trying to get stuff out. I mean, this is all part of the maintenance. But the worst part is when you start getting leaks going down, through the roof into the offices, and got someone over there fixing some leaks. So when people think about owning real estate, owning investment properties, you always have to take into account the fact that you're going to spend a lot of time, either your time or a lot of money on someone else's time, making repairs and doing things to get that property running smoothly. Airbnb is one of the biggest issues with Airbnbs is that you have to turn it over constantly. So there's a lot of cleaning, a lot of fixing of things. You're not going to take care of it the same way a tenant that has a year contract would be, but there is the potential of making more money. A commercial property, there's potential of making more money as well. Appreciation, good rents. I like the rent you receive as a landlord on commercial property better because you don't get any of the drama. These are professionals that have successful businesses that are paying their rent, not homeowners that might be hitting hard times. I mean, look, business owners can hit hard times too, but I've been fortunate, at least with this building in my 7 years here, to not run into that. So this is my kitchen. You can see downstairs the drywall that was ripped out due to the mold, the leak coming down from upstairs causing the mold issue, and always fun. Either way, this video is about the different pitfalls or different things that might come up with maintenance when you own real estate. Mortgage Nerd out.